Hey guys, welcome back to Ballboard and Bundesliga. It is UEFA Champions League time and we have the German champions Bayern Munich going up against Chelsea. Bayern, of course, are the favourites to go through to the next round as they already have a 3-0 advantage from the first leg. But as professional as Bayern are, they would not be heading into this match in an overconfident mood despite the fact that Chelsea will be missing some of their most important players through injuries. In this episode, we'll do a tactical preview of the Bayern versus Chelsea Champions League round of 16 second leg match. The match many are calling warm-up game for Bayern as they have not played a single match for the past month. Bayern were last on the pitch in the DFB Pokal final against Bayer Leverkusen on 4th of July, post which the players went on a break. Chelsea, on the other hand, played in the FA Cup final against Arsenal on 1st August, which they of course lost 2-1. Will this 1 month break hurt Bayern Munich's chances against Chelsea? I don't think so. Let's rewind a bit and take a look at the first leg match between these two sides that happened 165 days ago. Serge Gnabry showed his love for London and of course his old club Arsenal by bagging 2 goals, while Robert Lewandowski got a solitary strike which was his 11th Champions League goal of the season. Bayern of course ended up winning 3-0. Despite the match being played at Stamford Bridge, Bayern enjoyed 66% possession. Frank Lampard deployed a 3-4-3 formation with Olivier Giroud up front against a Bayern side that had the front four of Robert Lewandowski, Serge Gnabry, Thomas Müller and Kingsley Coman. While Bayern's attacking quartet looked in sync throughout the 90 minutes, another player who created Chelsea plenty of problem was Bayern's roadrunner Alphonso Davies. Bayern are expected to field almost the same side as the first leg despite Niklas Süle's return to full fitness, but there will be 1 or 2 changes for sure. As Benjamin Pavard is out injured, Joshua Kimmich will take right back spot while Leon Goretzka will take his place in the midfield alongside Thiago. There are doubts over Kingsley Coman's fitness too, which could see Philippe Coutinho or Ivan Perisic take the Frenchman's place on the wing. With pace on the wings and Lewandowski-Müller's psychedelic understanding of each other, Bayern are expected to once again play a high pressing game with Thiago controlling the transition from defense to midfield with a deep-lying playmaker's role just like Andre Pirlo used to. Since he would not be partnered with Kimmich, who is a more defense-minded player in the midfield pivot, Thiago would have extra defensive responsibilities on his shoulders this time. Goretzka, as we have seen him this season, likes to go forward more often and has a knack of scoring goals from his runs deep into the penalty box. That means we might see the wings a little bit more inverted in order to close the gaps left in the midfield. Since Kimmich has not played as a right back for a very long time, that is one area that Hansi Flick will be concerned about. The world knows how good a player Kimmich is, but he could be susceptible to go out of position because of his change in role. Chelsea, man oh man, will be missing Alonso, who is suspended having taken a red card in the first leg, Azpilicueta, a hamstring injury, Billy Gilmore, knee injury, Jorginho suspended, Pulisic hamstring injury again in this match. N'Golo Kante, Ruben Loftus-Cheek, Pedro and Willian are also doubtful for this game. With such a depleted squad, I am only expecting one thing from Chelsea: to go all out against Bayern, especially until the time they concede their first goal. Chelsea obviously would not want to embarrass themselves by conceding 3 or 4 goals, but they do need a very disciplined performance against Bayern if they are to stand a chance of reversing this 3-0 scoreline. One strategy that I can think of is that Giroud will be receiving a lot of long balls from the deep and he would want to help Mason Mount and Callum Hudson-Odoi, once a Bayern target, or Willian if he plays, push on and test Manuel Neuer. How Davies and Kimmich, 2 attacking fullbacks, will deal with this threat will be interesting to see. That was my preview for this game. I hope you guys liked it. Do leave your comments and your questions for me, and of course, enjoy the game.